These are 5 incredible facts.
First, the first jigsaw puzzle was created by mapmaker John Splisbury, who mounted one of his maps on a sheet of hardwood. Second, Barney, the famous dinosaur that entertains kids, is from Dallas. Third, every 3 days a human stomach gets a new lining. Fourth, this isn't exactly a fun fact, but there are over 200 dead bodies of climbers on Mt. Everest because Fifth, snails eat with a rasping mouth called a radula, which has thousands of teeth.